For over 50 years, this Hamura facility has transformed raw steel into the world's most trusted expedition vehicle.
Ultra-high-strength steel, rated at 1,500 megapascals, forms Land Cruiser's legendary indestructible backbone. Each Land Cruiser ladder frame requires 22 precision-formed high-strength steel sections. Full boxing of every frame rail creates torsional rigidity exceeding previous generations by 30%. Toyota's Jidoka philosophy combines automation precision with irreplaceable human expertise. The fully boxed ladder frame receives over 3,000 structural welds in this critical assembly zone. Computer-controlled MIG welding deposits precise bead geometry for maximum structural integrity.
6 minutes of synchronized robotic welding transforms raw steel into Land Cruiser's legendary foundation.
Takumi master craftsmen with over 20 years' experience personally inspect every critical weld.
Ultrasonic testing detects internal weld anomalies invisible to surface inspection. 7-stage frame coating provides 40-year corrosion protection for expedition environments worldwide.
Electrostatic powder coating bonds at molecular level, providing armor-like chassis protection.
Precision ovens cure powder coating at 200 degrees Celsius, creating structural bond.
Land Cruiser's bold body panels pay homage to 70 years of iconic design evolution. Character lines reference the legendary FJ40, connecting modern engineering to founding heritage.
Laser metrology systems verify every panel dimension against digital master to 0.01 millimeters.
Body-on-frame construction creates Land Cruiser's legendary combination of durability and repairability.
Over 6,000 spot welds join Land Cruiser's body-in-white structure for legendary integrity.
The completed body in white reveals Land Cruiser's unmistakable presence, born from functional necessity. Where automation cannot reach, Takumi hands complete what machines cannot.
Structural adhesives bond roof panels, adding rigidity and acoustic dampening for refined refinement. Land Cruiser's twin turbocharged engines are assembled in precision climate-controlled environments.
The twin turbocharged V6 displacing 3.4 liters delivers 409 horsepower of refined power.
Takumi engine specialists hand-install critical rotating components, verifying clearances with micrometers.
Twin turbochargers with integrated intercooling optimize power delivery across all altitudes and terrains. The hybrid powertrain combines a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine with electric motor for 326 combined horsepower. The 10-speed direct shift automatic delivers optimized gear ratio spread for any terrain condition.
Engine transmission coupling requires precise alignment to thousandths of an inch for reliable operation.
The complete powertrain weighs over 800 kilograms and mounts to the legendary ladder frame. Laser-guided mounting systems ensure perfect powertrain alignment within frame mounting points.
Computer-controlled torque tools tighten critical powertrain mounts to exact Newton-meter specifications. The part-time four-wheel drive transfer case delivers legendary off-road capability and on-road efficiency. Front independent suspension balances on-road refinement with available EKDSS off-road articulation. The kinetic dynamic suspension system interconnects front and rear stabilizers for superior articulation. Rear coil spring suspension supports 8,000 pounds of towing capacity while maintaining refinement. Heavy-duty front and rear drive shafts feature double cardan joints for extreme articulation angles. Available locking front and rear differentials deliver maximum traction in extreme terrain. Heavy-duty brake assemblies with ventilated rotors manage over 8,000 pounds of towing load.
Land Cruiser's 10-stage paint process provides protection against tropical heat, Arctic cold, and desert sand. 7 chemical pre-treatment stages prepare steel surfaces for molecular-level paint adhesion.
Zinc phosphate crystallization provides the microscopic foundation for legendary corrosion protection.
Cathodic electrocoating provides 12-year rust protection, penetrating every cavity and joint. Seam sealing every joint protects against water ingress in 700mm wade depth conditions. Thick underbody PVC coating provides armor-like protection against rocks and terrain debris. Protection engineering for global expedition use. Paint robots apply Land Cruiser's distinctive colors, including Heritage Bronze and Expedition White. Electrostatic atomization achieves perfect metallic flake orientation in Heritage Bronze. AI-controlled robot paths ensure identical paint quality on every Land Cruiser produced. Double clear coat provides exceptional depth and UV protection for extreme climate durability worldwide.
After 10 stages spanning 12 hours, Land Cruiser's legendary paint finish is complete.
Takumi paint specialists verify finish quality using digital wave scan, measuring orange peel to 0.2 units. Expert inspectors detect imperfections smaller than 50 microns under specialized wave lighting conditions. The marriage station unites Land Cruiser's legendary body with its equally legendary ladder frame chassis.
Specially tuned body mount isolators cushion the body from frame vibration on any terrain. Hydraulic systems control body descent with millimeter precision across 6 mounting points simultaneously.
18 critical bolts secure body to frame using computer-verified torque-to-yield sequences.
Multi-terrain selects 7 terrain modes require precise sensor installation for system accuracy. Crawl Control automatically manages throttle and braking across 5 speeds in extreme off-road terrain. Interior assembly begins with Land Cruiser's legendary reputation for durability and refinement together.
Premium acoustic insulation provides remarkable cabin silence during on-road and trail driving.
The dashboard integrates Toyota's latest technology with Land Cruiser's enduring functional design.
The 12.3-inch display provides intuitive control with Toyota's latest connected services.
Premium leather seats with heating and ventilation provide expedition comfort across any climate.
The leather-wrapped steering wheel integrates 4-wheel drive controls, crawl control, and terrain management. Second-row seats fold flat, creating expedition-ready cargo space for extended overland adventures.
The third row accommodates 2 passengers with available access-enhancing sliding second-row seats.
The JBL Premium Audio System provides 14 speakers delivering concert-quality sound in any environment. The large windshield accommodates forward collision cameras, requiring factory calibration for precision. Structural urethane bonds windshield creating seal, rated for 700mm water wading depth. Critical expedition waterproofing.
Takumi specialists personally verify every panel gap to Land Cruiser's exacting quality standards. Panel gaps maintained within 1 millimeter of specification reflect Japanese manufacturing perfectionism.
LED headlights provide maximum trail illumination, referencing Land Cruiser's Expedition Heritage design. The angular LED signature creates unmistakable nighttime identity, referencing the legendary FJ40 lineage. The protective front fascia integrates radar, cameras, and approach sensing for trail navigation. Available all-terrain tires provide traction on every surface, from tarmac to deep mud and sand.
Reinforced sidewalls resist puncture from sharp rocks during extreme off-road exploration.
5-lug star pattern torquing ensures even clamping for brake rotor flatness and wheel safety.
The Land Cruiser stands on its own ground for the first time, ready for legendary proving ground testing. Precision metered fluid filling ensures exact specifications for every Land Cruiser's drivetrain system. First engine start verification confirms oil pressure, fuel system function, and no error codes.
The twin turbocharged engine fires for the first time as systems come alive with diagnostic approval. Dynamometer testing verifies powertrain output and confirms four-wheel drive engagement across all ranges. HI and LO range shifting is verified at rated speeds with torque distribution confirmation.
Front and rear differential locks are individually tested for engagement speed and release function.
KDSS articulation testing measures wheel travel, confirming superior off-road capability targets. 7 terrain mode verification ensures A-track, hill descent, and throttle calibration match each mode. Crawl control testing verifies automatic speed maintenance from 1 to 10 kilometers per hour on grade. Water wade testing at 700 millimeters depth verifies sealing of every system and component.
Engineered water drainage channels ensure rapid expulsion after water crossing events.
High-pressure water testing verifies door, window, and body sealing against monsoon conditions worldwide. Every single Land Cruiser produced undergoes personal proving ground testing before delivery approval. Professional test drivers evaluate ride quality, powertrain response, and all electronic systems. Rough road proving verifies suspension response, body integrity, and noise levels meet standards. Emergency brake testing verifies stopping distance meets international safety standards at maximum speed. The Takumi Final Inspection covers 70 critical quality checkpoints inside and outside every Land Cruiser. Takumi Inspection includes tactile verification of every interior material for texture and quality. Takumi Digital Approval creates permanent quality record, linking inspector to every completed vehicle. The window sticker documents Land Cruiser's specifications for customers across 190 countries worldwide. From Hamura, Land Cruisers depart for customers in over 190 countries on every continent. The unique VIN stamped into the frame rail traces every Land Cruiser's production history permanently. Protective wrapping guards Land Cruiser's finish during ocean vessel transport worldwide. Specialized vehicle transport vessels carry Land Cruisers to customers across 6 continents. Multi-point securing systems protect every vehicle during ocean passages lasting up to 25 days. Carrying Land Cruiser's legendary reputation, each vessel departs Japan for destinations worldwide. Dealer pre-delivery inspection removes transport protection, revealing pristine factory finish. Under showroom lighting, Land Cruiser's heritage-inspired design reveals its legendary presence.
Land Cruiser attracts buyers seeking genuine capability, proven reliability, and generational value.
The twin-turbo power plant starts with refined authority, suggesting limitless capability ahead.
The Land Cruiser test drive typically converts skeptics into lifelong loyal owners.
On highway, Land Cruiser delivers unexpected refinement, combining comfort with commanding authority. Rotating the terrain selector activates specialized calibration for mud, optimizing every vehicle system. Where other vehicles stop, Land Cruiser continues. 70 years of proven off-road engineering delivering.
The multi-terrain monitor reveals obstacles beneath the vehicle, enabling precise wheel placement.
700mm wade depth allows confident crossing of rivers encountered on expedition routes.
Land Cruiser explores environments where reliability is the difference between adventure and catastrophe.
Land Cruiser owners regularly achieve 300,000 kilometers with original major components intact.
Land Cruiser's legendary reliability creates multi-generational ownership stories unlike any other vehicle.
70 years, 190 countries, millions of adventures. The 2020